Hey gang, welcome to another episode of Tomboy Beauty. I'm Amy Harber. There's my Twitter, my Instagram, and my YouTube. This is the wonderful March Target beauty box. And boy, was there some drama with this one, but we'll get into that when we start talking about the products. This is like Hello Spring is the theme. It's all about saying goodbye to winter and saying hello to spring. So we got some fun products here, and we'll get into the drama and the products and all that cool stuff right now. So hey, it's the March Target beauty box, and let me tell you, there was some drama with this one. A whole bunch of people, myself included, got our orders canceled by Target due to a technical glitch. So they said our addresses didn't exist and they canceled our thing. And then if you went to reorder it, it was sold out. Well, praise social media, because enough people got on the old tweets, and next thing you know, Target, with their awesome customer service, not only made sure we all got beauty boxes, but everybody that was affected by the glitch, they got their beauty box for free this month. So yes, thank you Target for having awesome customer service. So, hello spring, yay. It's all about say goodbye to winter and greet the new season. So, it's a cute little card, green, sort of like my nails here. Here's what's cool. You get a $3 coupon off 15 more of skincare, hair care, cosmetics. I always end up not using it. I always forget to use it. So, but I'm actually going to try to use it this time. I don't even think I need anything, but, you know, that's what it is. Cool little list of everything that's in the box. So let's get into it. So we have the Olay Micro Scrubbing Cleansing Infusion Crushed Ginger. Now this was actually in the Walmart box too, the award-winning beauty one. So I don't know if there's a conspiracy with Olay that's like, let's get our stuff in every box. But I tried this the other night and it is awesome. It just is so refreshing. And yeah, it's refreshing ginger scent. I love it. So I'm excited that I have another container of it. Then we have number 7, Early Defense Glow Activating Serum. So it's a serum that, you know, you put it on before your moisturizer. There we go. So, and the reason you apply the serum before your moisturizer is the molecules are smaller than your moisturizer, so it's able to penetrate. Bet you didn't know that. Then we have St. Ives Skin Renewing Collagen and Elastin Body Lotion. So it's 100% natural, and you can use it on your face, you can use it on your neck, you can use it on your body. It's pretty much anywhere you want to use this moisturizer, you can use it. Then we Neutrogena Dry Shampoo, or not Neutrogena, Nexxus Dry Shampoo. I don't know why I said Neutrogena. Anyway, it's Nexxus Dry Shampoo. It's a refreshing mist. It's unscented. I love dry shampoo. One of the things I have noticed living in Chicago is my hair gets dried out from the wind and everything, so I don't wash it as often. I wash it like 2-3 times a week max, and that's it. So dry shampoo in between, love it. So, and what's cool about this is you can use it on color treated strands, which is great for me. Then we have another one that was also in the Walmart award-worthy beauty box, is the Pantene Foam Sheer Volume Conditioner. So I haven't tried it yet. Probably going to try it tonight when I wash my hair. But hey, now I have 2 containers of it. Fun times. Now this is the reason I wanted this box most of all. Crave Hair Makeup by Clairol. It is temporary hair color. I was hoping I would get like pink or coral. I got purple, but you can use it on any single hair color. You just swipe it on your dry hair. It gives you a purple tinge. It washes out the next shampoo. So with me doing acting work, modeling work, I want to be adventurous with my hair, but I know the second I do, because this happened last year when I took my hair pink, I will get a phone call and say, I need you to audition and I need your hair to not be a crazy color. So that's why I'm excited about this. I can have fun, I can experiment, and it washes out. Finally, here's another thing that caused drama with this beauty box. The Wet n Wild Color Icon Eyeshadow Quad. It was causing drama with this beauty box because a lot of people, at least on social media, were reporting that their eyeshadow quad was busted and open and destroyed and disintegrated. I've seen some of the boxes where it was just powder all in the box, all over the box. It was like the eyeshadow just exploded and disintegrated all in the box. Mine, however, is in one piece. So you got some highlighter. It's browns and pinks, colors I love, and it even gives me instructions on how to use it, my makeup. Like, I don't know. But hey, it's all good. I'm excited about that. Got the coupon. That's the beauty box. Follow me, and I'll see you next time.